The Gen5detect is a remarkable addition to the world of vacuum cleaners, pushing the boundaries of innovation and functionality. This vacuum embodies Dyson's tradition of excellence in design and performance, making household cleaning a truly satisfying experience. One of the standout features of the Gen5detect is its powerful motor, spinning at a staggering 135,000 revolutions per minute. This power translates into exceptional suction, capable of effortlessly picking up even larger debris like leaves. The vacuum adapts intelligently to different floor types and levels of debris, ensuring efficient cleaning without damaging delicate surfaces. What truly sets the Gen5detect apart is its real-time LCD screen and illumination technology. The screen provides valuable information about the particles being sucked up, making the chore of vacuuming feel rewarding. The illuminated fluffy optic attachment optimized for hard floors offers a unique green beam that reveals even the most hidden dust, transforming the way we view our cleaning efforts. The Gen5detect also addresses the common issue of tangled hair with its detangling vanes and anti-tangle brush, ensuring a hassle-free cleaning experience, especially for pet owners. Additionally, it incorporates a HEPA filter to remove microscopic allergens and viruses from the air, making your home cleaner and healthier. However, there are some minor drawbacks to consider. The vacuum's inability to stand upright can be frustrating when you need to pause your cleaning to move furniture or obstacles. Furthermore, as the battery is located in the handle, the vacuum may feel top-heavy during extended use, and this issue is exacerbated when using it in handheld mode. In conclusion, the Dyson Gen5detect is a cutting-edge cleaning tool that combines power and technology to deliver an exceptional cleaning experience. While it comes with a high price tag, its performance and innovative features make it a valuable addition to any home.